we're gonna check out a funky joint that is using beer to make their pizza dough. And I hear it's the real deal. This is Dirty Water Dough Company.
Large Fenway Frank, order up.
The best pizza is definitely at Dirty Water Dough.
Boom.
Yeah, Boston strong, dirty water.
Dirty water, like that sounds really weird.
Unless you know Boston's dirty little secret.
Order up.
Going into Sam Sokol's brand. Let's see how it works.
This is special flour. The wheat is actually milled from the middle, so it gives you a real nice high protein and low ash. Salt, olive oil, little yeast, water, Dirty Water IPA. We're gonna mix this up for 2 to 4 minutes on low and then another 6 to 8 on high. Then we let it rest, portion it out.
12 ounce.
I usually do 20s. You wanna do the big boys or you wanna do the little guys?
Whatever you wanna do,
do the babies
baller.
or the big boys?
Let's see how good he is on his 20.
Oh.
17.15.
Oh. 20.25. Not bad.
Let him proof overnight. What are we gonna make?
Steak and cola ready to finish, gents.
The steak is really good. It's marinated with cola, which sounds weird at first, but once you try it, it's delicious.
Steak and cola pizza.
I was looking at unique, creative ways to marinate steak.
This is shredded, not ground beef.
Correct. Italian dressing.
And now we put the cola. And I'm just as freaked out as you are right now.
Little soy sauce.
Granulated garlic.
Pepper.
And some salt.
You want to mix it up, marinate it good.
So just a little bit of provolone.
Got your mozz.
Why is it always my mozz? I don't have any mozz here. I can't check that with my baggage.
And then you got your marinated steak.
It's my marinated.
Put it on raw.
Cola, the soy sauce, and the Italian dressing. My new favorite combo.
All mixed up.
You might be the one that's mixed up. We'll see about this.
Gorgonzola.
Funk right there, huh?
Your caramelized onions.
Caramelized?
So the nice sweet onion. Put it in the oven for 8 minutes at 550.
All right. Right balance of cheese and meat and sauce, not soggy. Bro, you got a pizza here. It's meaty, it's rich, and delivered on a crust that is up there with some of the best I've had. Chewy, yet tender. It's not overdone with the ingredients. The attention to detail is really paying off because I thought it's either gonna be a hero or a zero. That's a hero, that's a dynamite pie.
Here's a large steak and cola.
It's just wonderful. You want your pizza to have some oomph to it.
The bold gorgonzola, the strong provolone, it actually complemented the sweet cola of the steak really well.